In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the increase in COVID-19 cases in India. तो COVID-19 की वजह से ऑफकोर्स सबको इम्पैक्ट पड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा वाला, और इस चार बहुत बड़े इम्पैक्ट्स पड़े हैं. वो है बिजनेसेस पर, एजुकेशन पर, तीसरा है एंटरटेनमेंट एंड टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री पर, और जो फोर्थ सबसे बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है दैट इज द फियर ऑफ गेटिंग अक्वायर्ड बाय कोविड-19. सो इसकी वजह से बहुत बड़ा एक फियर बैठ चुका है हमारे दिमाग में, और हम सब जानना चाहिए. आई थिंक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इंडियंस वुड लाइक टू नो द रीजंस फॉर इंक्रीजिंग कोविड-19 केसेस और कब ये खत्म होगा. So in this video I'm going to address your problem, and by the end of this video all of your questions will be answered. So India is the second most worst hit country with total cases of 4.2 million and more than 85,000 cases reported daily. So ये वीडियो में मैं बताना चाहूंगा the reasons for increasing COVID-19 cases in India and why they are rising so fastly. So the first reason for increasing COVID-19 cases in India is steady climb and multiple peaks. By this I mean कि India में we can't expect to have only a single peak, but multiple peaks because of the population density and also the eased restrictions during lockdown, जिसकी वजह से travel was possible and this infection was traveled or carried to other towns, small villages and towns, etc. So with a testing of 2.5 lakh done daily, it is nearly impossible to test at least a majority of 1.3 billion, and to test 1.3 billion of population with this rate of testing, it would take 5,200 days to test 1.3 billion. So we can't also expect we have to expect multiple peaks and not single peaks because of the population density and also the ease restrictions. Second reason is WS data. So according to Health Ministry, they are saying that we are handling the situation relatively well because there are only 13 deaths per million population, which is really low compared to other countries' ratio. But we really cannot say this data is true because there is actually no mechanism to report deaths and cases in India. So I am not very much sure with the data it is provided, and also I don't think we really are handling this situation relatively well. So the third reason is no central coordination. So in India, the public health is managed state-wise. So मैं इस केस में दो स्टेट का एग्जांपल लूंगा, दिल्ली एंड केरला. So Kerala was one of that state जिसमें वायरस के फर्स्ट 3 केसेस रिपोर्ट हुए थे, but Kerala was very successful in terms of COVID-19 cases. They reduced the cases because क्योंकि उन्होंने लोगों को आइसोलेट जल्दी किया, फिर जो लोग उनसे मिले उनको ट्रेस किया, क्वारंटाइन किया, और बहुत अग्रेसिवली उन्होंने टेस्टिंग भी की, जिस वजह से केसेस ऑलमोस्ट मिनिमल है. बट दिल्ली की अगर बात करें, विच इज शार्पली क्रिटिसाइज्ड फॉर नॉट हैंडलिंग द सिचुएशन वेल, लास्ट 3 वीक्स में their cases have surged to another level. बहुत केसेस बढ़ गए and people were refused from taking into COVID designated hospitals, saying that they do not have any space in their hospitals. So due to this, the Home Ministry had to makeshift 500 trains as COVID-19 wards where they could isolate the COVID-19 patients. So I think the state and the central government, they did not had a well coordination. That's why the success rate for different states is different. So the fourth reason I would say is the lack of healthcare system. That also a good healthcare system. So the countries in Europe like Italy, France, which were the most hit countries during May and March time, but they also have recovered out of this situation. That is because they have a good healthcare system. So according to officials also, they admit that we do not have sufficient doctors in hospitals. Also, we do not have so many doctors because the data for number of doctors in India is only 1.34 doctors per 1,000 of population, which is relatively really low. और हमारा जो healthcare system, it is also not capable of handling such a immediate scenario जहाँ पे एक दिन में 90,000 plus cases आ रहे हैं. So even we do not have that many number of beds. So the fifth reason is the global recession or the economic crisis of India. पहले से हमारी इकोनॉमी पिछले 1-1.5 साल से इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. अभी also GDP is to the top lowest, that is 23.9. So this is rushing or compelling everyone to rush towards work. अभी अगर सब काम पे जाएंगे, सब अपनी शॉप्स पे जाएंगे, तो इट इज वेरी पर्टिनेंट कि ट्रेड्स पॉइंट्स या टच पॉइंट्स भी उतने ही क्रिएट होंगे. 10 लोग से और मिलेंगे, फिर वो घर पे आएंगे, फिर वो अपनी फैमिली से मिलेंगे, फैमिली कहीं और जाती है, तो इसकी वजह से और टच पॉइंट्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से और केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. सो ग्लोबल रिसेशन इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजन फॉर राइजिंग कोविड-19 केसेस इन इंडिया, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से everyone is compelled to go towards work and create more touch points. Not intentionally, unintentionally, but yes, this is also a reason. So अभी जो दूसरा मेजर क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आएगा is कि क्यों अगर बढ़ रहे तो इतने फास्टली क्यों बढ़ रहे. 90,000 plus cases in one day are reported in India. Second is the lack of sanitization facilities. Third is the lack of good medical facilities. Fourth is lack of awareness among people. People are still not aware of all the symptoms of COVID-19. So किसी को अगर maybe खांसी आ रही, throat में थोड़ी dryness हो रही है, खांसी आ रही है, they are thinking maybe this is viral or something. So they are still not sure कि COVID-19 cases के symptoms that people are not aware. And the fifth reason is lot of slums. So social distancing is not applicable or cannot be done in such slums. And the last reason which I would say is the eased restrictions during lockdown. People were very much eased during the lockdown. ऐसे लग भी नहीं रहा था कि lockdown था, and थोड़ी जगहों पे lockdown था तो भी people were not taking the rules and regulations seriously. लोग घूम रहे थे, मास्क के बिना घूम रहे थे, 10 लोग से ज़्यादा, 5 लोग से ज़्यादा लोगों को मिल रहे थे, तो टच पॉइंट भी क्रिएट हो गए. I hope I have answered all of your questions or the doubt you had. And दो good hope मैं दे सकता हूँ आपको कि according to health ministry this situation should be under control, go down during mid-September, but this is almost like 7 September. So and also in this monsoon season, according to some scientists, they believe that monsoon में भी थोड़े viruses कम spread होएगा, क्योंकि बारिश होगी तो by natural लोग घर पे रहेंगे थोड़ा compared to the पहले जितना बाहर घूमते थे. और अगर मे बी कोई खांसता है, कोई सैनिटाइज, बट अभी बारिश की वजह से वो भी अभी क्लीन अप हो जाएगी, पानी से क्लीन अप हो जाएगी. तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द गुड होप आई वुड लाइक टू गिव. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड एनर्जी, एंड प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स व्हिच वीडियो वुड यू लाइक टू मेक मी ऑन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. थैंक यू.